Learn English with Om Nom.
Hello, Om Nom. Wow, candy! Candy makes you so happy. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Oh! It's moving. It's jumping. Very good jumping, Om Nom. Careful, though. Oh, dear. Let's try the other side. And jump. Oh! And again. Oh, dear. If you're angry and you know it, count to 10. 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. If you're sad and you know it, wipe your tears. Don't be sad, Om Nom. There's always hope. Om Nom, look! It's coming back to you. If you're happy and you know it, eat the candy, eat the candy.
T-shirt. Jeans. Skirt. Jacket.
Hello, Om Nom. How are you today? Oh, let's have a look under here and see what we can find. A cake! Oh, I do love a good birthday cake. But Om Nom, I'm sorry. Cakes are not very healthy. Never mind. Let's see what's next. An apple! A juicy red apple! They're very, very good for you, Om Nom. Don't worry. You can try it later. Let's put it in the basket. Excellent. Right, shall we see what's next? A cheeseburger. Oh, I do love cheeseburgers, but they're not very good for you. Sorry, Om Nom. It has to go with the cake. Let's try again. Broccoli! Oh, look, Om Nom. It's the same colour as you. A lovely, healthy green. Oh, it looks like a baby tree. Right, what's next? Pizza! I do love a good pizza. It's very Italian, but not very good for you. Sorry, Om Nom. Has to go in the unhealthy basket. Okay, one more go. Spinach. I say, Om Nom, spinach is exceedingly good for you. It's the same colour as you too. Green must be a very healthy colour. Now, which basket should we try? I'm starved. Unhealthy. Healthy, unhealthy, healthy! Excellent choice, Om Nom.
Animal train with Om Nom. Hi, Om Nom. How are you? What a cool train this is. Ooh. What animal makes this sound? That's a monkey. So cute. What's next? Ooh. Now which animal makes this sound? It's a lion, the king of the jungle. Wow! What's next? Which animal makes this sound? That's right! That's the sound of a hippo. What's next? Ooh! Which animal makes this sound? Any guesses? It's a zebra! Wow! Just one more to go. Which animal makes this sound? Any guesses? That's right, it's a snake! Wonderful! What a cool animal train! Monkey, lion, hippo, zebra, snake! Good job, Om Nom! Bye! The end. Let's paint the bus. Yellow bus. Pink wheel. Red horn. Green door. Blue window. Bye, Om Nom. Blue. Pink. Green. Orange. Circle. Star. Triangle. Square.
Hello, Om Nom. How are you today? That looks like fun. What are they? Are they ice cream cones? Oh, it looks just like a football, doesn't it, Om Nom? One blue ice cream scoop. Pink. 1, 2. 2 pink scoops of ice cream. 1, 2, 3. 3 scoops of yellow ice cream, my favourite colour. Om Nom, where are you going? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 scoops of purple ice cream. Om Nom, come back. Look, it's the same colour as you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 scoops of green Om Nom ice cream. I'm not sure you're supposed to climb it though, Om Nom.
Yellow. Blue. Blue. Yellow. Red. Triangle. Green triangle. Square. Blue square. Circle. Yellow circle. Star. Pink star. Rectangle. Red rectangle. Subscribe. Click to watch more.